From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Real.
Quiet weather to start for your Wednesday, but as we go throughout the day, going to be tracking more showers and thunderstorms across the region. A live look at our CAV tower cam, seeing mostly cloudy skies over the city of Utica. We did see some thunderstorms late last night, around 11 o'clock to midnight across the region, but now things are quiet across central New York. We want to keep an eye on the sky, especially as we head towards late this morning into the afternoon hours, as another round of showers and thunderstorms will develop. In the same story, we could see some gusty winds as well as some heavy rain, which could lead to some flash flooding as we go throughout today. But again, this morning the weather is relatively quiet across the region on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we look to the west, there are some showers back towards Rochester and Buffalo. These are going to push to the north and to the east, clipping central New York with just a few showers as we head throughout the morning hours. Again, it's not till this afternoon when we want to keep an eye to the sky. So by 7 a.m. we can see those showers up across the North Country. As we head towards the noon hour, that's when we'll begin to see some thunderstorms develop across the region. These will be on and off throughout the afternoon. We are not talking about widespread rain, just some scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the afternoon hours. So by 2 p.m., you can see that showers and thunderstorms from Utica down towards Cooperstown and Oneonta. By 4 or 5 o'clock, those will push out of the area, and we will begin to dry out as we head towards this evening into tonight. We could see a little bit of fog as we head into tomorrow morning. So keeping a close eye once again on those rainfall amounts. Could see between 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain as we go throughout today. Most of that will be falling again as we head towards the noon hour and into the early afternoon hours, with temperatures near 80 degrees tonight. Quiet weather. It's going to be muggy though. We'll drop back into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. And finally, a dry day for tomorrow. Take advantage of it because more showers and thunderstorms are in the forecast for Friday and into the weekend. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Jill.
The time is 5:20. We're saying good morning to Mohawk and all the greater Utica region. The one thing that's been flourishing with all this crazy weather, people's gardens and plants everywhere. Things are just flourishing across the region, growing and growing across the area. Now, for today, we are going to see the potential for more rain. Now, the chance for severe thunderstorms is going to be less for today. We're in that marginal risk. We're not in that slight risk. But again, any thunderstorms that do develop for today could contain some gusty winds. But again, still our biggest concern is the potential for some heavy rain, because we did see an additional rain throughout the overnight. And now we are beginning to dry up. Another 1/2 to 1 inch of rain is possible within those thunderstorms for today. Again, not everybody is going to see the rain for today, as those thunderstorms will be scattered as we head towards this afternoon. But quiet for your morning commute. We'll look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. The death toll from
Most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Real.
Dry start to the day with mostly cloudy skies across the region, but going to be tracking more showers and thunderstorms as we head towards this afternoon. A live look at our CAV tower cam. Again, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies over the city of Utica. Things will be relatively dry outside of a few showers this morning, but tracking showers and thunderstorms as we go throughout the afternoon hours. Some of those thunderstorms may be on the strong side with gusty winds as well as some heavy rain, which unfortunately could lead to some flash flooding. Now, not everybody is going to see the rain for today. It's going to be very scattered across the region. So you want to have our Storm Tracker 2 weather app handy as we go throughout the afternoon. Quiet right now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, outside of a few sprinkles, dry to start for this morning. There are some showers back towards Rochester. Most of this will pass to the north and to the east, but we still will see a few showers that show up on our Skycast by 7 a.m. As we head towards the noon hour, though, that's when we're going to start to keep an eye on the sky as some thunderstorms will begin to develop. But you will notice on our Skycast, not everybody is going to see the rain for today. By 2 p.m., thunderstorm activity near Utica as well as down towards Cooperstown and Oneonta. Those showers will push to the south and to the east as we go throughout the afternoon. So by the evening hours, a return to some sunshine, which is some good news. Around 7 o'clock, we'll see partly sunny skies across the region. So we are going to keep a close eye on rainfall amounts once again for today. Any thunderstorms could contain some heavy rain between 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, but some locations could see up to an inch of rain as we go throughout today with those thunderstorms. Again, dry this morning, thunderstorms this afternoon. Temperatures will be near 80 degrees. For tonight, it's going to be muggy. We'll drop back to near 70 degrees with some fog developing. And finally, a day of sunshine for tomorrow with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s across the region before thunderstorms return on Friday. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Jill. Maybe a college career.
The time is 5:52. We are waking up with relatively quiet weather across the region, but as we head towards this afternoon, we're going to keep an eye on some thunderstorms that will begin to develop. Now, we're in a marginal risk for the potential for some strong thunderstorms. Slight risk is out to the east of central New York, but again, close enough where we could see a few strong thunderstorms for today. And our biggest concern, again, will be the rain, because we rain heavy at times, as well as some gusty winds. Now, the potential for some flooding is low for today, but of course our guard is up because rivers, creeks, streams are still running pretty high, and the ground is still quite saturated, especially after the rain we saw during the overnight. We're going to see an additional around ½ an inch of rain for today within those thunderstorms, again, as we head towards this afternoon. Quiet for your morning commute, though. We'll look at that forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Jill. Major League Baseball.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Jill Riehl.
Tracking quiet weather for this morning, but that is going to be changing as we go throughout the late morning into the afternoon hours. A live look at our CAV tower cam, seeing mostly cloudy skies over the city of Utica for this morning to start. Now, I am tracking a few showers back towards Buffalo that will move in for this morning, but another round of showers and thunderstorms will develop as we head towards this afternoon. Some of those may contain some gusty winds as well as some heavy rain. And along with that heavy rain, flash flooding is possible. Again, not everybody is going to see the rain for today. It's going to be very scattered across the region, but definitely want to keep an eye in the sky. A few spotty showers just beginning to develop up across the North Country as you head into Lewis County on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, there are some more showers and a few thunderstorms back to the west as you head towards Rochester and then down closer towards Buffalo. Those are pushing to the north and to the east as we go throughout the morning hours. So on our skycast, again, a few spotty showers for this morning as we head towards the noon hour. That's when those thunderstorms will begin to develop across the region. And those thunderstorms will be around throughout the afternoon hours. So by 2 p.m., you can see those scattered showers and thunderstorms on our skycast for Utica, down towards Cooperstown and Oneonta. Those will push to the south and to the east, so we will see improving conditions for this evening and drying out as we head into tonight. So again, rainfall amounts around ¼ to ½ an inch of rain, but within those thunderstorms, we could see up to an inch of rainfall for today, on top of what we've already seen throughout last night and early this morning. So again, keep an eye to the sky for this afternoon with showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures near 80 degrees for tonight. We'll drop back to near 70 with some fog developing throughout the overnight into tomorrow morning. A mix of sun and clouds for tomorrow with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. A few thunderstorms possible for Friday and into the weekend. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Jill. Is it COVID-19 or...
The time is 6:20. We're saying good morning to Mohawk and all the greater Utica region. Some flowers right there. I know they have been flourishing with this weather over the past couple of weeks with the heat as well as the rain. And we're speaking of rain, we may see a few thunderstorms once again for today. Now, the threat for severe weather looks to be just to our east, but close enough where we do have to keep an eye on the sky for late this morning into the afternoon hours as thunderstorms will begin to develop. Any thunderstorms that do develop could contain some gusty winds as well as some heavy rain. And of course, with all the rain we've been seeing over the past couple of weeks, our guards are up with the potential for some flash flooding. Looks like we'll see between ¼ to ½ an inch of rain for most locations, but within that thunderstorm activity, we could see up to an inch of rainfall. So we'll keep a close eye on those rivers, streams, and creeks for today. We'll look at that morning commute forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. The death toll from the collapsed
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Riehl.
Starting off this morning with quiet weather across central New York, we'll begin to track some showers and some thunderstorms late this morning, continuing into the afternoon hours, but quiet right now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar as we are looking towards the east. So definitely want to keep an eye on the sky. Again, late this morning into the afternoon hours, we'll track some showers and some thunderstorms moving into the region. Some of those thunderstorms may contain some gusty winds as well as some heavy rain, which unfortunately could lead to the potential for some flash flooding. But again, for this morning, it's just warm and humid across the region. 66 in Inlet, 65 in Old Forge, 67 in Stratford and Westdale, 62 in Glenmore, 68 in Clinton and New Hartford. Across the southern valleys, waking up to 63 degrees in Hartwick, 64 in Edmondson, Milford and Cooperstown, and 65 in Lawrence and Morris. Again, just a few sprinkles showing up on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, tracking some rain back to the west, back towards Rochester and Buffalo. That will be moving in again as we go throughout the morning hours, with more in the way of some showers and thunderstorms as we head towards the afternoon. So on our Skycast by noon, seeing some scattered showers and thunderstorms moving through the region. Not everybody is going to see the rain for today, but definitely want to keep an eye in the sky for those thunderstorms throughout the afternoon hours. By 4 p.m., the best chance for those showers and thunderstorms will be across the southern valleys. And then by 7 p.m., we clear out. We'll see a return to some sunshine across the region with dry weather for tonight. So again, keeping a close eye on those rainfall amounts. Looks like between a quarter and a half an inch of rain outside of those thunderstorms. Those thunderstorms could contain some heavy rain again as we go throughout the late morning and into the afternoon hours. Keep an eye to the sky with temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees for tonight. Finally, some quiet weather. We'll drop back to near 70 and a return to some sunshine tomorrow. Temperatures in the mid 80s across the region. Enjoy it because thunderstorms make their way back into the region for Friday and into the weekend. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. Maybe a college career.
The time is 6:49. We are waking up with quiet weather across the region, but we'll be tracking another round of some showers and thunderstorms late this morning, continuing into the afternoon hours. Again, less chance for severe weather for today compared to Tuesday, but still want to keep an eye in the sky as we go throughout the afternoon hours. Any thunderstorms that do develop could contain some gusty winds as well as some heavy rain. And of course, we're keeping a close eye on those rainfall amounts, but the potential for flooding also looks lower for today. Within those thunderstorms, we could see another half an inch to up to an inch of rain again within those thunderstorms. Now, everybody is going to see the thunderstorm activity for today, but they are going to see quiet weather for your morning commute. We'll look at that forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. Major League Baseball.
The time is 7:09. We are waking up with relatively quiet weather across central New York. Live look down in Cooperstown, beginning to dry out from those thunderstorms that we did see late last night into early this morning. We're also seeing some cloud cover now on our CAV tower cam. A little bit of sunshine earlier this morning. Now, what I am tracking is some showers back to the west. Those will move in during the mid to late morning hours with some thunderstorms possible as we head throughout the afternoon hours. I'll track those thunderstorms coming up in less than 10 minutes. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. The death toll from the calamity.
The time is 7:13. We are waking up with relatively quiet weather across the region. We are going to see a few showers and thunderstorms move into the region, but the best chance for the severe weather will be to our east for today. But again, a few showers could contain some gusty winds as well as some heavy rain. So we're going to keep a close eye on those thunderstorms. Again, within those thunderstorms, we're expecting pockets of some heavy rain. Between a half an inch to an inch of additional rainfall is possible as we go throughout today. Again, for this morning, we are tracking some showers to our west across the region. Those are pushing to the north and to the east. So we'll continue to track those showers as we go throughout the morning hours with another round of some showers and a few thunderstorms possible for this afternoon. I'll track those storms coming up. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. Congresswoman Claudia Tenney.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
Starting off with some dry weather across the region for this morning, but tracking some showers and a few thunderstorms as we go throughout the morning and into the afternoon hours. A live look at our CAV tower cam as we are looking towards the east, with mostly cloudy skies to start for this morning. Again, we'll be tracking some showers throughout the mid to late morning hours, then some thunderstorms as we head towards this afternoon. Any thunderstorms that do develop could contain some gusty winds as well as some heavy rain. A small chance for flash flooding for today, but just got to keep a close eye on those rivers, streams, and creeks throughout the morning and afternoon hours. Starting off in the 60s, 62 in Glenmore, 65 in Old Forge, 66 in Ithaca, and Inlet, 67 in Oppenheim and Westdale, 68 in Clinton and New Hartford. Same story for the Southern Valleys, waking up to 64 in Edmondson, Milford, and Cooperstown, 63 in Hartwick, and 65 in Lawrence and Morris. So again, dry conditions right now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. I am tracking some showers, a few rumbles of thunder just to our west. That is pushing to the north and to the east. So again, we will see some scattered showers as we go throughout the morning hours before more showers move in as we head towards this afternoon. So on our Skycast by the noon hour, some scattered showers across the region. Not everybody is going to see the rain, but we will see on and off showers and a few thunderstorms by 2 p.m. Those will be pushing to the south as we go throughout the second half of today. By tonight, 7 p.m. we do dry out with some sunshine before that sun sets, and then clear skies for tonight. Rainfall amounts again between 1/4 and 1/2 inch of rain as we go throughout today. Could see some pockets of some heavier rain across the region with those thunderstorms as we head towards this afternoon. Temperatures near 80 degrees. For tonight, we'll drop back into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees with humid conditions. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast, a mix of sun and clouds with the dry weather for tomorrow with temperatures in the mid-80s. Showers and thunderstorms return for Friday and into the weekend.
Forecast meteorologist Jill Reel is over in the Weather Center tracking showers.
Another day of rain across the region for this afternoon. We were relatively dry this morning out of a few showers across the North Country. And now in our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing some spotty showers from Old Forge as well as down towards Utica into areas of northern Otsego County. We are seeing some showers right now along Route 20 near Richfield Springs, heading towards Cherry Valley and Springfield. Also some showers along the New York State Thruway as you head towards Little Falls. Again, these showers will be scattered as we go throughout the afternoon hours. So you'll see some sunshine and then some scattered showers throughout the afternoon. It is warm and humid. We're at 82 in Ilion, 79 in Mohawk and Otsego, 77 in Castle, 76 in Clinton, 73 in Curtis Corners, and up in Old Forge where it's been raining all morning, they're at 65 degrees. So as you go throughout the rest of this afternoon, again, some scattered showers, a few thunderstorms possible. We do start drying out tonight and for tomorrow. Look at that sunny forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Jill. Well, there's a
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
We are starting off this afternoon with another day of some showers and a few thunderstorms. A live look at our CAV tower cam. We just had a shower move through the region. Look at that. The sun is back out. That is going to be the trend as we go throughout the afternoon hours. We'll see some sunshine, but then we'll also see some periods of some rain. One location that's seen rain all morning long is up in Old Forge. They've been dealing with that steady rain, even a few thunderstorms earlier this morning. Now, as we head towards the afternoon, I am tracking a cold front that's going to bring us some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms as we go throughout the afternoon hours. Again, we're now looking at the potential for severe weather for today, but some of those thunderstorms may contain some gusty winds and some heavy rain. And as always for this week, we are going to keep a close eye on the potential for some flooding for this afternoon, but it does look very low compared to the last couple of days, which is some great news. We're at 79 degrees officially at Griffiths Park, 81 in Syracuse, 75 in Watertown, 75 in Binghamton. Again, as you step outside, it is still very humid across the region. So as those showers begin to develop for this afternoon, going to contain some heavy rain just because we have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. And speaking of rain, tracking those showers on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar right now. We just had a shower pass through the Utica area, dry for Rome, but I am tracking some showers, a few pockets of some heavier rain as you head into Otsego County along Route 20, as you head between Richfield Springs and Springfield, and then down closer towards West Exeter and Burlington Flat. So again, this is going to be the trend for this afternoon. Not everybody is going to see the rain, but we will still have that chance for some scattered showers as they move through the region throughout the afternoon. And again, we will still see some sunshine from time to time as well. So on our Skycast, as we head towards 2 p.m., there we go. More in the way of some showers, a few rumbles of thunder across the region. Those will slide to the east. So by 4 p.m., we're seeing more showers down towards Otsego County as well as Herkimer County. Those will continue to make their way out of the area. So we will see some sunshine by the end of the day. So by 7 p.m., we're seeing partly to mostly sunny skies. For tonight, mostly clear conditions, but as we head into tomorrow morning, we are going to start off with some valley fog across the region, but that fog is going to give way to mostly sunny conditions. Gorgeous afternoon. It is going to be warm, though. Temperatures are going to make their way into the mid to upper 80s as we head towards Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. So rainfall amounts, again, these are with those thunderstorms. We're not expecting a lot of rain, but the rain may be falling fast at times, between a quarter and a half an inch of rain across the region for the rest of today. Again, those showers and thunderstorms will be on and off throughout the afternoon hours. Sunshine by this evening with temperatures near 80 degrees. For tonight, still going to be muggy. We're going to drop back into the 70s and upper 60s with some fog tomorrow morning, but that will give way to some sunshine across the region with temperatures in the upper 80s. We're going to stay in the 80s with a few thunderstorms on Friday. Unfortunately, more in the way of some rain as we head towards the weekend. Katrina?
Thank you, Jill. Thank you for joining us for this half hour of News Channel 2 at noon. I'm Katrina Smith. Seeing some dark skies to the north of us. Let's check in with meteorologist Jill Reel in the Weather Center.
Still tracking some rain across the region for this afternoon, and those showers and a few thunderstorms will continue to develop as we take a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, we are seeing a rain shower just north of Utica, actually really close to up here on Smith Hill. We're seeing that heavy rain up towards Route 8 as well as Route 12 as you head closer towards Trenton. Also a shower just developing just to the west of Utica as you head towards Westmoreland, Whitestown, just north of New Hartford. Again, this is going to be the trend as we go throughout the afternoon. Scattered showers and some thunderstorms will continue to develop. But on the other hand, we'll also still see a few peaks of sunshine as we go throughout the afternoon hours. So definitely just want to have your Storm Tracker 2 weather app handy, and of course to look at that radar, because these showers will be hit and miss throughout the afternoon hours. But we will see a return to some sunshine. Look at that forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Jill. There's a flood.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Reel.
Tracking some showers and some thunderstorms as we go throughout the afternoon hours. We just saw a quick shower move through parts of North Utica. It was very dark within the last 10 minutes, and now skies are clearing up, and we're seeing blue skies on our CAV tower cam again. This is the trend for this afternoon with scattered showers and some thunderstorms across the region. Another round of some showers and thunderstorms will develop as we go throughout the afternoon hours. Again, we're not expecting any severe weather for today, but a few of those thunderstorms could be on the strong side with gusty winds and some heavy rain. So we'll keep a close eye on that heavy rain as we could see flash flooding, but again, it looks very low as we go throughout the afternoon hours. It is warm out there. We're up to 80 degrees at Griffiths Park. Then you got to factor in those dew points. It's very humid as well, and that is why we're seeing those downpours across the region. A dew point of 67 at Rome, 68 in Syracuse, 69 in Ithaca. That just indicates there's a lot of moisture in the air for this afternoon, and that's why we're seeing those scattered showers and thunderstorms developing on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You will notice to our west, they are becoming more numerous, and this is going to be the trend again throughout the afternoon hours. We are tracking some steadier rain just exiting Richfield Springs, heading towards Cherry Valley and Springfield. Again, we just saw a shower up here on Smith Hill. Few and far between right now, but you will notice within the last hour on our radar loop how many showers and thunderstorms have developed. So again, pop-up showers and thunderstorms will continue throughout the afternoon hours. But by this evening, the weather is going to greatly improve. So by 2 o'clock, again, those showers and thunderstorms moving through the area. By 4 p.m., they are down across the southern valleys. And then by 7 p.m., they're out of here. We're going to see some sunshine for this evening. So if you want to go for a walk, I'd hold off until later this evening before sunset tonight. And then tonight, we are talking about quiet weather across the region. But there's still a little bit of low-lying moisture. So as we head towards Thursday morning, we're going to start off with some fog. But that's going to give way to sunshine. You will notice no green showing up in our skycast as we head towards Thursday. We will stay dry. It's going to be warm, though, with temperatures in the mid-80s. So rainfall amounts, again, within these showers, those brief downpours, we could see a quarter up to a half an inch of rain as we go throughout the afternoon. But that rain will subside as we head towards this evening. Today, again, temperatures will make their way into the low 80s for this afternoon. As we head into tonight, probably still need the fan and air conditioner as we're only going to drop back into the upper 60s for tonight. And it's going to be a warm day for tomorrow. But hey, at least we're seeing some sunshine with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. Tomorrow's a great outdoor day because we're tracking more showers and, yes, thunderstorms not only for Friday, but as we head towards the weekend. Katrina?
Thank you so much.
Off tonight. You know it's been a bad weather week. When the weather headline is that the sun might come out tomorrow. It seems Mother Nature is finally done pummeling central New York for now. Let's go straight to the Weather Center, see Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. He's going to tell us what's in store. And we gave a sneak peek.
I was going to say.
My bad there. We gave you a sneak peek of what those rainfall totals were. Not terrible.
I was going to say, you put it well. The fact that we're making a big deal out of a sunny, dry day kind of shows you where we're coming from. And I am happy to say that things are going to be getting better in a big way here over the next couple of days. Looking back at the rainfall totals over the past 24 hours, we were spared the worst of those thunderstorms. The heaviest amount of rain fell in Old Forge, where they actually could have been able to handle the rain a little bit better. We're looking at totals across the rest of the area, about 1/4 of an inch for the most part, as much as 1/2 an inch in the northern part of the area. So as we go forward, we are still tracking a few thunderstorms, but these are not strong. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Any activity this evening is going to be limited to the southern half of the area, so the Route 20 corridor, to the I-88 corridor, maybe a passing storm. Some lightning to the west with this one, so we'll be keeping an eye on that as it works its way into Madison and Otsego County. Current temperature is 78, still very humid. The dew point is 70, but we will get a chance to dry out with the sun coming back out tomorrow. And we do have some rain in the forecast as we look ahead, and we'll take a closer look coming up. This evening, storms ending. Temperatures will be in the 70s, and again, we are tracking some nicer weather in the short term. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The New York State Department of Conservation conducted.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are continuing to track a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in and south of the Mohawk Valley this evening. Let's take a live look outside. Ominous skies. A live look at our CAVV tower cam. A couple of showers are still rolling through the area. And again, it is expected to be unsettled, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All that ominous clouds I just showed you, just some small showers here that we're tracking right over our vantage point here on Smith Hill. We look at the bigger picture. There are more downpours taking place to the south. The largest one that will be approaching our area is south of Syracuse. In fact, we'll put a storm track on this and give you an idea of when it is expected to move into the area. We'll move this out an hour and a half. So Hamilton 544, Brookfield 604, Cooperstown, we're looking at that rain shower around 6:30. So again, a quick downpour, thunder and lightning too with that. This is not severe. It's not producing damaging winds or hail, but it still could have a pretty big impact if you are outdoors this evening. And again, we're going to continue to follow the progress of the showers and storms that are out there. That's the back edge of wet weather. As we go forward, the weather will dry out. Finally, right? I know everybody's looking to cut the lawn with the grass growing so quickly with all this rain. We'll get a chance to dry out tomorrow. Some great news there. Partly sunny skies. On Friday, we've got the MoCast as a maybe because we have a few scattered showers and storms with a cold front. And Saturday is not looking so nice. We're looking at widespread rain in the forecast. Temperatures late this afternoon, Rome 79, Westmoreland 80, Deansboro 72, across the southern valleys, Sherburne 74, and Skanevis with 71. Of course, that only tells you part of the story. We also have high humidity. We always look at dew point. We're trying to explain humidity because these numbers are set. Relative humidity is always relative to the air temperature. When the dew point's 70, it feels just downright uncomfortable. Unfortunately, things are not going to change going forward. Great weather to walk the dog. We'll get a chance to dry out as we head into this evening and tonight. So you look at the bigger picture, we have a window of dry weather to the west and then more active weather out even farther to the west, and that will be arriving here late Friday and early Saturday. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, we're dry tonight, some patchy fog, overnight lows in the 60s. Tomorrow, a pleasant day, partly sunny, warm and still very humid with high temperatures in the upper 80s. Heading into tomorrow night, the weather looks dry. As we look ahead to Friday, we do have a cold front approaching the region that may produce a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. High temperatures Friday in the low to mid 80s. Tonight, storms ending, some patchy fog late, low of 64. Tomorrow, partly sunny, temperatures in the upper 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Moving ahead, showers, storms late Friday, widespread storms on Saturday, 77. We're dry Sunday. We start to get out of this very active weather pattern, at least seeing some sunshine, at least more sunny days compared to wet days. So some good news looking ahead.
We appreciate the alert days, but we're kind of glad to see no red on that 7
for
day
now.
for a little while.
We'll keep you posted.
That's true. Anything could change. All right,
Yeah.
thanks, Phil. With his sights set on him, first look at the forecast in this half hour. We'll go over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Tracking some showers on the way, right?
Yeah, some showers, some thunderstorms for parts of the area. A lot of this activity will be moving out of the area as we head into later this evening, and we'll get a chance to finally dry out. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some showers, even a few brief downpours showing up along and just north of the Thruway, heading towards Eatonville at 547, Little Falls 554, St. Johnsville 611. That's a relatively small shower, so that doesn't last too long. We're tracking some thunderstorms to the west, approaching western Madison County. These will continue to move across the area, impacting areas like Sherburne at 603, New Berlin at 618, New Lisbon at 632, and Hartwick at 642. Looking ahead, we get a break in the rainfall over the next couple of days. I am highlighting Saturday for the possibility of some localized flooding. We'll be keeping an eye on that day, but as you can see, there's a lot more days where this is not a concern compared to a concern. So we are starting to turn a corner in terms of the weather pattern, but still, issues are not quite resolved here yet. Storms ending as we head into this evening, temperatures in the 70s. We are tracking, again, some rain as we head into the weekend. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Twitter is
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening and welcome back. Tracking a couple of thunderstorms generally south of the Mohawk Valley this evening. This is a live look at our Mirabito tower cam overlooking Oneonta. You can see some cumulus clouds in the distance here. As we look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are again tracking some localized downpours. This is actually in the Mohawk Valley. It's a small downpour moving towards St. Johnsville at 614 and eventually towards Gloversville at 644. Again, just a brief downpour. Could see a rumble of thunder with that one as it continues to head to the east. And then a somewhat larger storm here, not severe, but producing more rainfall. And again, the opportunity for some thunder with this as well. More 644, Oneonta 705. Again, that's going to continue to move through the area. And the bigger picture shows that a lot of this activity, first of all, is scattered, so most of us will not see it. And then second of all, is generally confined to areas south of the Thruway corridor. This is the last of the precipitation to track as we head into this evening. We will get a chance to dry out tonight. In fact, skies should clear out for a great showing of the International Space Station. It is back in viewable here in the evening, 10:19, and it's viewable for 7 minutes, which is a pretty long time for this sort of event. You're going to look pretty high in the sky for this. It appears in the west-southwest, almost directly overhead. So it should be a very great showing for that. The higher in the sky, the flyby, generally the brighter it is. So this should be a pretty nice one. Local sky watchers, Alder Creek 79, Old Forge, Bill checks in with 71, Paynes Hollow 76, Mike in New Hartford 78 degrees. Across the Southern Valley is a very warm and very humid day. Cooperstown, Stewart with 75, Jim and Richfield with 77. Again, tracking some unsettled weather today from a weather disturbance in our area. Actually, it's the passage of a warm front. So we're going to see some dry weather for the time being, and then things will start to change heading into Friday as a cold front approaches. Tonight, patchy fog. That'll be around first thing tomorrow morning. We're dry otherwise. Should be a warm night and a very warm day tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 80s, still very humid, but we are looking at dry weather. Heading into tomorrow night, the weather remains pretty quiet. We're tracking a cold front on Friday. Our computer model is really not showing a lot of activity with this, so we're hopefully thinking that Friday will be mostly dry. But again, I can't rule out a passing shower or storm as that cold front rolls through the area. More widespread rain is in the forecast as we head into Saturday. That'll be our next chance of any widespread soaking rainfall. Tonight, some patchy fog, a low of 64. Tomorrow, sunshine, partly sunny, temperatures in the upper 80s, still very warm and humid. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Some scattered showers and storms late Friday. Widespread activity for Saturday, dry Sunday, maybe a pop-up shower storm on Monday. Temperatures in the mid-80s early next week. We'll continue to track the progress of those thunderstorms. The latest radar images at 6 o'clock. Stay with us.
Here at 6 is Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. And Bill, more rain on the way.
Yeah, tracking a few thunderstorms, the lion's share of these heading south and east, and we're not going to get too much more additional rain from these. Let's take a look at the rainfall totals over the past 24 hours. Most of this fell from the storms we had last night around midnight, and that storm produced about 1/4 inch of rain across the area. But one place that really stands out, Old Forge, picking up more than 1 inch of rain. We're tracking more storms on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of this activity is heading south and east, and we do have one particular heaviest downpour that's in Shenango County that'll be moving into southern Otsego County as we head into the next hour or so. Current temperature is 77 degrees. It is still very humid out there, and the humidity is going to stick around, but we do get a chance to dry out. We've got dry weather. Once these storms roll through, we're dry tonight, we're dry tomorrow, we're mostly dry Friday. It's not until the weekend and we will be tracking more rain across the area. Storms end as we head into this evening. Temperatures will be in the 70s. Again, tracking much needed dry spell, at least for a few days before rain returns. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Traffic was shut down.
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Tracking a few scattered showers and even a few rumbles of thunder south of the Mohawk Valley this evening. Let's take a live look outside. Our Cavity Tower Cam shows ominous conditions in the distance here. This is looking towards the south, and again, some rain in the distance as we take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. What we're looking at least in parts of the Mohawk Valley, a few downpours. These are heading south and east, impacting St. Johnsville at 6:24. We're also looking at a few downpours, thunder and lightning, moving into eastern Shenango and southern Otsego County. This moves towards Morris 6:48, Oneonta at 7:08. Again, a couple of downpours there. Bottom line is there's not a lot of activity here this evening, just a couple of showers to track. And in general, this activity will move out of the area over the next 1 to 2 hours and we'll get a chance to dry out. We do have some dry weather in the forecast. That being news in and of itself kind of shows you where we've been out over the past few days. Dry conditions on Thursday, just a few showers Friday, nothing widespread or heavy. The day that we would watch here is on Saturday, more widespread rain in the forecast. That'll be our next chance for anything that would instigate any more localized flooding. With skies clearing out this evening, it's actually a great time to view the International Space Station. It is back 10:19 this evening. If you're up, it'll be visible for 7 minutes. This is going to be a high pass, about 80 degrees above the horizon, and visible for 7 minutes. It's worth checking out if you haven't seen it before, or even if you have. Alder Creek, 79 degrees. West Leyden, 74. Temperatures in the 70s this evening across the southern valleys. Milford, 74. Cooperstown with 75. We're tracking dry weather to the west, so again, we do get a break in the rain. Some patchy fog overnight. We'll drop down into the mid-60s. Beautiful day tomorrow. Partly sunny skies. Temperatures will be very warm and very humid. We're still looking at highs in the upper 80s. Heading into tomorrow night, the weather remains dry. And then on Friday, a cold front approaches the area, and this could produce a shower or a thunderstorm, especially later in the day. Temperatures will be in the low 80s. Our next chance of widespread rain is going to be Friday night and Saturday as a weak area of low pressure swings through the region. Again, this would be our next region-wide rainfall event. It doesn't look to be very heavy, but it could be enough to cause some localized flooding. And again, we'll be keeping a close eye on that. Storms end tonight down to 64. Some patchy fog late. Partly sunny, very warm and very humid. High of 87. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Showers and storms late Friday and most of Saturday. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s Saturday afternoon. Sunday's looking dry. A hit or miss shower Monday. Dry. Sunshine Tuesday and Wednesday. Jason.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on news. First look at the forecast tonight. We go over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. It looks like it's quiet for a change.
Isn't that amazing? It's a sight to see. We're looking at dry weather, and we are very happy about that. We are in desperate need of some dry weather here in central New York after days and days of rain and flooding issues. We are looking at pretty quiet conditions out there. The Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar is quiet. The rain that we had earlier today actually felt much heavier to our east, where there was some pretty serious flash flooding today in Rensselaer County. That's out near Albany. But again, all that rain out of our area, not going to be an issue. Tonight, skies are clearing out. Should be a great night to view the International Space Station. We're going to try to do this locally between commercial breaks. Looking at this visible at 7 minutes at 10:19. This should be a really good flyby. It's going to be pretty high in the sky, and it usually means it's pretty bright. Current temperature is 68 degrees. We have the clear skies to go along with that. And it's going to dry out as we get into tonight as well as tomorrow. Nice day tomorrow, but we are tracking some more rain as we head into the weekend. Tonight, again, looking at dry conditions, down to 64 with some patchy fog late. Again, tracking some more rain as we head into the weekend. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Utica police are investigating.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside from our CAVV Tower Cam overlooking the beautiful city of Utica. Temperatures have slowly fallen back into the low 70s and upper 60s. It's still humid outside, but the weather is looking pretty comfortable. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And what you're seeing out there is some ground clutter. In reality, we are looking at pretty quiet weather across the area. The weather stays dry. We have quiet conditions over the next couple of days, and that's really good because we're not expecting any flooding concerns. Thursday, completely dry. Friday, just a few scattered showers. Widespread rain on Saturday does introduce at least the chance of some localized flooding, and then things look pretty quiet here on Sunday. I know with all of this rain, the grass is growing like crazy, and I know a lot of you are chomping at the bit to get out and cut it. Tomorrow should be a good day for that. Friday also should be okay early as we have a cold front that's going to sweep in. And Saturday, we're going to put that down as a no as we have widespread rain in the forecast. Finally, some dry weather. We can see this giant hole in the radar and satellite image, and this is going to be our weather for tomorrow. Looking farther to the west, some rain showers. That's a cold front. That will be our weather for Friday. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. We're dry. A little bit of patchy fog develops, especially in valley locations as we head into tomorrow morning. Pretty nice afternoon for Thursday. Warm and still very humid. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s. It might even get to 90 in some areas, or at least feel like 90 degrees. So certainly a warm day. Tomorrow night, the weather remains dry. What you're seeing here on Friday is a cold front that will be sliding through the area, clearing most areas by 5 p.m. In the wake of the cold front, we're going to see more widespread rain. In fact, the cold front's going to lift back to the north and stall, and this will bring widespread rain heading into Saturday. This is something we'll be watching because if this lingers around, it could bring enough rainfall to create some localized issues. The jury is still out on that, but that's something we're going to be watching very closely. Patchy fog tonight, low of 64. Tomorrow, partly sunny. Very warm and very humid. Temperatures in the upper 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Looking at some scattered showers and storms late Friday, 82. Showers, storms Saturday, 77. Dry Sunday, 81. The risk of a pop-up storm Monday, 85. Looking at dry weather as we look ahead to Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be right back.
First look at the forecast tonight. We go over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis, and he has absolutely nothing to say.
And you know what? That is the headline.
I'm kidding. It's quiet. It's quiet.
We're looking at completely quiet weather. I don't know where to go with that. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some dry weather, something we have not talked about what seems like a long time, much longer than it should be. But again, this dry weather is very good news because as we all know, the rivers, the streams running very high, the soil is very saturated. We can't really afford to see any rain in the near term without any flooding concerns. And guess what? We get a break from that. Current temperature is 67 degrees. It's comfortable outside, clear skies. We had a great showing of the International Space Station about an hour ago. We'll get a chance to dry out. And we are looking at pleasant conditions as we head into Thursday. We have a few more rain chances in the forecast as we head into late Friday and Saturday, so we do have some more rain to track, and we'll give you some of the details on that coming up. Some patchy fog does develop tonight, and that could be an issue very early tomorrow morning, especially in valley locations, a low temperature of 64 degrees. We are tracking, again, some nice weather in the short term, some rain for the weekend, and look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, you had nothing bad to say.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside from our Cavite Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. And the weather tonight looking pretty quiet. We're getting a chance to dry out some much needed dry weather across the area. A live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking pretty quiet across the area. What you're seeing there is what we call ground clutter. The radar's turned in a higher resolution mode. But the bottom line is it's dry and it will stay dry as we head into tonight. As we look ahead with the weather being dry tomorrow, we don't have any flooding issues. And same goes for Friday, just a few scattered showers and maybe a few thunderstorms, but those look to be widely scattered. Saturday, widespread rain does at least give us the chance of seeing some localized flooding. So that'll be something we'll be keeping a very close eye on. And then Sunday, things look to quiet down. It's time to cut the lawn. It has been growing like crazy, and I know some of you can't wait to get it cut. Best day to do that tomorrow. Get a chance to dry out. Friday is also a day worth cutting, especially early on, and then Saturday with the rain arriving, not so nice. As we look at the radar and satellite image, some showers, some thunderstorms, even some heavy rain in the Capital District, some flash flooding, a pretty serious situation in Rensselaer County earlier today from the same weather system that brought us just a few showers and a few rumbles of thunder. But it's all about dry weather to the west. And this will give us a dry day tomorrow, and then this round of rain in Wisconsin will eventually catch up with us heading into Friday. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, dry. Some fog develops in lower elevations in river valleys. We'll start out with the day with temperatures in the 60s. Still very warm tomorrow and still humid, but nice and dry. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s, and it'll feel close to 90 with the humidity. Tomorrow night, the weather looks relatively quiet. We'll be tracking a cold front as we head into Friday. This brings a round of rain and even a few thunderstorms, with temperatures cooling off starting out the weekend. This front looks to stall heading into Friday night as well as Saturday, and some of the latest projections bring widespread steady rain to the area as we head into Saturday. And again, that's why we have that chance of seeing some localized flooding again in the forecast. Again, we'll be keeping a close eye on the rainfall forecast here as we move forward. Quiet tonight, some patchy fog, lows in the mid-60s. Tomorrow, partly sunny, warm and humid, temperatures in the upper 80s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Scattered showers and storms late Friday, 82. And widespread rain and storms Saturday, 77. We're dry Sunday, partly sunny, 81. Chance of a pop-up storm Monday, 85. The weather looks to dry out. Sunshine Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. We'll be right back.